So, like I said, I was saying before, like, how people in general are selfish. Look at everything that's going on right now with society. Everything that's going on. Biggest thing I always have an issue with, and I think people don't think about, is the lives that are being lost due to war. There goes another selfish way of thinking and living, and thinking of themselves first. If we can change anything about the way we are and how we are as individuals, it's probably the egotistic, selfish mentality that we have. I would change. We are really selfish individuals. We are. All humans are. It's human nature to want the best for ourselves, and there's nothing wrong with that. But there's a way about getting all that, right?